This video will show you how to translate a Google Drive document. Open up the document you wish to translate. Click the Tool menu. Select the Translate Document option. Enter the file name of the translated document. Then press the drop-down menu to select a language. Select the language you wish to translate the document into. Press the Translate button to begin the translation. You will be transferred to a new page which will have your translated document. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.